to this class. In today's class, we're talking about Canva. Alright, Canva is an app that helps you to do graphic designs, help you design whatever it is you want to design. ID card, jota, banner, flyers, whatever it is that you have in mind, Canva will help you do. Alright, it's all about your creativity. Of course, design is all about your creativity. So we'll just go straight to the class. And yes, one thing you should know is Canva uses data. Alright, you use data to log in, you use data to work on Canva. Here's where it's loading. I'll be explaining some things. Canva has different features, and when your network is bad, it happens like this sometimes. So Canva has different features. It has the one you pay for, and it has free. So we'll be using the free tools on Canva, and then we'll be using some tools that you can pay for on Canva, but there's a way you can go around it. Alright, you can go around it that you not pay for it, but it will carry watermark on it. Alright, so this is still loading. So you can come to homepage. Homepage is where you see all the features on Canva. You can see up here you have flyer A4. Now A4, let me explain what A4 is. A4 is the normal document, like normal paper size, like the one you used to print in cafe, normal paper size. Now A3 is bigger, is twice the size of A4. A3 is twice the size of A4, and then A2 is twice the size of A3, and A1 is twice the size of A2. So that's how it goes. Then we have document. This is for A4 portrait. And yes, let me explain what portrait is. Portrait is standing straight. Is it vertical now? You call it, or horizontal? Okay, vertical. No, horizontal, yeah? Up to down. Then horizontal, that's landscape, is from right to left. Now check this out. Check this. Make me an image. This one. Make me an image. This one. The mine is highlighting. See where my cursor is moving. This one. Now this is vertical. This is landscape. See this one. This one. This design. This one that my hand is on is called portrait. Now this is homepage. This is where you see all designs you can pick from. And the interesting part of Canva is that you can use Canva. You have different designs already for you to use. It is your choice to either use them or you start your own graphic design afresh. Right? You can choose a template. They call them templates. You can choose a template or you can start your own graphic design afresh. Alright? These are templates. We have flyers. And very good. And you can see up here are recent works. In my recent works I've done on Canva. Alright, so you can see from here documents. These are documents works, all on Canva. Then posters, you can see them posters, and cards. Maybe all these what's it called? Your invitation card, your complimentary card. These are all complimentary cards. These are stickers. These are invitations. Phone wallpapers. You can photo college in the rest of the mobile movies and all. Like that, on and on. These are projects. If you come to this place, projects, these are works you've done before, like previous work done before. These are previous works done before. Ouch. I'm really busy right now. These are previous work done before. Let that load. It's taking time. Okay, good. It's open. Okay, you can come here and see all. These are where all my works are. You can see these are previous works done. These are previous work. You can compile all this work and put them in a folder if you wish. You can upload them to a folder so they don't look scattered all around, right? You can put them in a folder if you wish. See, but I'm not going to put them in a folder. I just decide to pick like this, and then create a folder to put them, but I'm not doing that. Alright, I'm not creating a folder to put them. Then these are templates. Templates are more of designs that are there available for you to use. Alright, work they've done before for you to just do. So what you do is, maybe you have something in mind, because graphics are all about creativity. You have something in mind that you want to design, and then you can go through templates. You see something similar to what you want, or you see something fine that looks like something you can do. So all you need to go is go inside and edit what you can edit, remove what you can remove. So it's called templates. I'm still waiting for it. I think I have a very bad network here, so that's why we delay. I'll come to this plus. I think I skipped it, but I'll come to it. So this is if you want to do a fresh design. Let me come to it. So explain this plus. Let's say I want to do a fresh design, right? I want to start my work from scratch. Maybe I have a size. Let's say, for example, I have banner to do. Alright, I have banner to do. There's a size on my head, maybe 3 by 4 feet. 3 by 4 feet. I have something already in mind to do. So I can come to customize or upload. Maybe I have a previous work on my phone. I can upload. I can come to this place and choose. Maybe it's on Instagram. See logo. See resume. We have presentation. Maybe I have pre-class. YouTube thumbnails. These are for YouTube. You know, YouTube have a size you can upload. It's not just anyhow you upload this on it. We'll come to that. I just pray I remember, so that I'll teach you all this, so we don't skip it in. Alright, so let this load. So you see sizes. Waiting for this to load. Maybe I'll come back to it, so we save time. Yeah, so we save time. Let's go here. Okay, let's come up. So we have width, we have height, and the units. You can use pixels, inches, centimeter, millimeter, or centimeter, and it depends on what the your conversion is. Let's say, for example, you want to do banner 4 by 3. When we say 4 by 3, you see width and height, right? Let's say the example, the top, the height is 5 feet, and then the width is 4 feet, for example. Alright, you can convert it. You can do the maths, plus or minus, in pixels, in inches, millimeter, or centimeter, all that. I'm going to teach you that before this video. I'm going to teach you this by the grace of God before the video. So whatever it is you want to do, so once you do it, it's now going to take you to a blank page. Let's say, for example, let me just do something like a template, so you see what I'm talking about. Let's say 21, 22. Or let me just pick from this one I've done before. Let's say this is number, so it's going to be blank. is blank. Do you understand? It's going to be blank. It's going to be blank. Please a bit patient while it loads. Wait for a little while it loads. See, it's blank. So it's not going to take you automatically to design, right? It's going to take you to design. See it. This one that is showing blue here, under here. Can you see this one here? This one here. See where my cursor is moving down here. Now it's going to take you to templates. You can choose to use any template, or you can browse. You can check. You can type to get any template you wish to get. You can type here to choose any template you want. Is it wedding card? Is it banner? Is it whatever it is you want to do? Let's say poster or anything. Take you to poster. I know, but I'm just doing this for record purposes. And then if you want color, any color you want to use, maybe it's color you want to put on it, you choose color to put on it. And these are tools, elements. Elements are maybe while you're doing your graphic designs, you want to use a picture of a cat, you want to use circle, you want to use flower, whatever it is you want to use in the design. You can just choose to come to element and then look for it. Just type the element up here in this search element up. You can use arrow, frame, heart, whatever it is you want to use there. And these are text tools for writing, right? You have a writing. Look at them. You have different type of write-ups. Different type of write-ups you can pick from. My network is pretty slow, so you can choose from heading, subtitle, subheading, whatever it is you want to do. I wish this thing would load fast so I can show you what I mean. Yes, can you see? Now good, look at this. When you see pro, it simply means you're going to pay for, right? All these ones pro, you're going to pay for. So you can see them. See templates. You see this pro. All these ones that has pro, you're going to pay for them if you want to use them. But these ones that don't have any pro on them, they are free, right? So we have gallery. Gallery is of course your phone. Maybe you want to import pictures and the rest of them. Alright, so these are my images, and you have brand, and then all this you're going to see the music, background. I'm going to make use of them subsequently, but not now. So I'm just showing the peripheral part of Canva. So we'll move ahead. We see templates. Templates are, see them, they are works that have been done before. You can just go into them and edit. Alright, like a template. Yeah, while you're coming, see them. See, they're already work done. Now anytime you see pro on this, it means you have to subscribe for them. Like I told you, Canva has ones for subscription, they are free. So anyone you want to use, look at them. Anyone that you don't see pro on them, they are free. Alright, they are all free. Then when you come to this pro, is where you want to come and subscribe, if you wish to subscribe, so that you can have access to more designs. Do you understand? More beautiful designs, more graphic design. I told you there are some work that you can manipulate. You can use them, even though they are pro, you can use them for free. Alright, there's a way you can go about them, maybe tools you can go about them. Then when you want to when you want to export them, you just go to when you want to export them, they will show you a place where you pay, but then you select free. But what I mean is to carry watermark. What is watermark? Watermark is a write-up. Let me show you an example of a watermark. What design should I use? Okay, let's say this one. This one is already a done work. So I want to show you what a watermark is. It's a work I've done before. Watermark are write-up. They write on an image or a work. Right? Let's say you do a graphic design and then you want to send it to somebody. Maybe after doing the design, you send it to somebody, let's say a customer. Like this work I did, when I wanted to send it to the person, I had to write some things on it, so the person doesn't steal the work without paying me for it. Do you understand? That's what they use watermark mostly for. They're just signature, something like signature. Do you understand? Your signature on your work. It's called watermark. Maybe you can choose to write your name, you can choose to use background, image, photo or something. Let me bring it to you so you understand what I'm saying. Basically, this is just an introduction, right? It's just an introduction, and we'll go into graphic design subsequently. Really go into it. It's still loading. Good. So let me see. Let me see if I can see any pro so that I show you what I mean. Come to elements. So I can see any pro. So I show you what I mean. Good. See this one. Let's say this is a good example. Okay, let me use this. This is a good example. Explain what I mean. Okay, this might not be a good example. Let me get another one. This is dark, so you might not see the watermark on it. Let me use something good. Let me use this image. Let me use this picture. Let me undo it. Good, this is watermark. I wanted it to appear so that you see what I mean. See, Canva. Do you see? It has some things, it has now lines on it. That's watermark, right? These are watermarks. It's just to, and then when you want to export them, when you want to use them, you'll be seeing the watermark on it. I don't know if you have seen any picture. Maybe you download picture online and then it has some names or some things on it. Maybe some picture, you see something like camera and then stock, something like that on it. Something like stock, some write-ups on it. These are watermarks. Now you can choose to, this is where to download this place. This one is where to download. You can choose to share the link, download, or send it to you through email or download. You click on download, you now pick on what you want. Is it JPEG that is to come out as picture? Is it PNG? It's also picture, but this one is the one that is supported. If it's video, go to video. That means maybe if you made video and you want it to be video as you download. All these I will explain properly when we start the class. Alright, and don't forget to come here. Which page do you want to? Which is it, page 1 or page 2? Because this work is, that's page 1 and page 2. There are 2 works in one. Look at this. See the second work. I'm trying hard. See, my network is slow, so I'm trying hard to show you. See, this is page 2. This is page 2. Can you see? So all this, so you can either choose page 1 or you want to do page 2. Is it page 1 or page 2 you want to download? Let's say page 1, the one that has watermark, because I want to show you something. So when you just click on done, and then when you show you suggestion to download, come here. You see what it's showing you? Your design contains premium content. So unlock our entire content library of over 100 million elements. When you pay, you have access to a lot of this thing, but I'm not here for subscription. You can come here, you can choose 2000 only need it for one design, pay for it once. We don't want that. Then download a free watermark draft. You can choose to click on this one. That's the second one. This one, click on it, and then your work will start downloading. But I don't want to download it because I already have it already, so I cancel the download. Alright, cancel the download. So basically this is it as an introduction. So subsequently we will go to the class and do the class proper, start graphic designs later. Alright, we'll do graphic design obviously when we come. We'll start the class properly, but now I just want you to just see what Canva looks like, and then we'll enter into it properly maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow. Enter into it tomorrow. So most times when you see this thing pop up, it's just a sign that your network is kind of poor. You can click on reload, so it refresh the page. Then you can click on reload, so it refresh the page. It's not as if anything is wrong. And one thing, interesting part about Canva is whether you just, your phone goes off or you just move out of it, it automatically save your work. Alright, automatically save your work. Just like what's it called? Just like WPS Office, it saves your work automatically. Alright. So yeah, because of time, let me save this video and then I'll explain other things later. So